Hello students, today I am going to tell you the topic Bayes optimal classifier. It is a very important topic of machine learning. Before going to this topic, I would like to tell you the Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem provides a principal way for calculating conditional probability called posterior probability. It means Bayes theorem is used for calculating a posterior probability that is called conditional probability, whereas Bayes optimal classifier is a probabilistic model that finds the most probable predictions using the training data and space of hypothesis to make a predictions for a new data instances. It means Bayes optimal classifier is used for classifying a new data instances. Hence, Bayes optimal classifier is a probabilistic model that makes the most probable predictions for a new example. It is also described by using the Bayes theorem that provides a principal way for calculating a conditional probability. That means Bayes optimal classifier is also based on Bayes theorem, but there is a change or there is a difference between Naive Bayes classifier or Bayes optimal classifier. So far we have considered the questions: what is the most probable hypothesis given the training data? In fact, the questions that is often of most significance is the closely related questions: what is the most probable classifications of new instances given the training data? It means before explaining the Bayes optimal theorem, I would like to tell you what is the most probable classification of new instances given the training data. We can give the answer to the second question, that is, what is the most probable classification of new instances given the training data, by applying a map hypothesis to the new instances. It means if we want to classify new instances, we will use map hypothesis, but it is not always true. Bayes optimal classifier is better options to classify the new instances to the given data. How Bayes optimal classifier is better than HMAP? Let us take an example. Consider a hypothesis space containing three hypotheses H1, H2 and H3. It means here there are three hypothesis space named as H1, H2 and H3. Suppose that the posterior probability of these hypotheses given the training data are 0.4, 0.3, 0.3 respectively. It means the probability of H1 by D with respect to D is equal to 0.4 and the probability of H2 with respect to D is equal to 0.3 and probability of H3 with respect to D is equal to 0.3. Thus, it is clear that H1 is the map hypothesis. Why H1 is the map hypothesis? Because we know the formula of HMAP. HMAP is defined as argument max small h belongs to capital H P D by Hi multiplied by P of Hi, where P D by Hi is likelihood functions and P Hi is prior probability, and it is given that P and this whole term is defined as posterior probability, and it is given that PH1 by D is equal to 0.4, that is greater than PH2 with respect to D, or it is greater than PH3 with respect to D. So according to HMAP, new instance X is classified into hypothesis H1. So the solutions using HMAP to a new instances X is classified into the hypothesis H1, but this solution is not a good solution. Let us taking all hypotheses into account, the probability that X is positive is 0.4, that is the probability associated with H1. Hence X is positive with a probability 0.4, so the probability that it is negative is therefore 0.6. Most probable classification does not belongs to classification of HMAP. The most probable classifications of the new instances is obtained by combining the predictions of all hypotheses weighted by their posterior probabilities. If the possible classification of the new example can take on any value Vj from some set V, then the probability P Vj with respect to D that the correct classifications for the new instances is Vj is just P, or is defined as P Vj with respect to D is equal to summation of Hi belongs to H P Vj by Hi multiplied by P Hi by D. The formula for classifying a new instances by Bayes optimal theorem is given by this formula. The optimal classification of the new instances is the value Vj for which P Vj by D is maximum. Hence, Bayes optimal classification is equal to argument max Vj belongs to V, summation of Hi belongs to H, P Vj with respect to Hi multiplied by P Hi by D. This is the equation number 1. To illustrate in terms of the above example, the set of possible classifications of the new instances is V is equal to positive or negative. That means X belongs to X belongs to a positive hypothesis or X belongs to a negative hypothesis. And it is also given PH1 by D is equal to 0.4 because the new hypothesis belongs to positive, or H1 belongs to a positive hypothesis. It means the probability of negation with respect to H1 is equal to 0, or the probability of positive with respect to H1 is equal to 1. It is also clear probability of H2 with respect to D is equal to 3 as the given example, and H2 belongs to a negative hypothesis or X belongs to a negative hypothesis, it means P negation with respect to H2 is equal to 1 or probability of positive with respect to H2 is equal to 0. Similarly, PH3 by D is equal to 0.3. P negation with respect to H3 is equal to 1 and P probability of positive with respect to H3 is equal to 0. Therefore, summation of Hi belongs to H, probability of positive class with respect to Hi multiplied by P Hi by D is equal to 0.4. In the previous method, H map is equal to argument of max Hi belongs to H, summation of Hi belongs to H, P Hi by D multiplied by PHI. Similarly, summation of Hi belongs to H, P negation with respect to Hi multiplied by PHI by D is equal to 0.6, and argument of max Vj belongs to V, summation of Hi belongs to H, P Vj by with respect to Hi multiplied by PHI with respect to D is equal to negation. Any system that classifies new instances according to the equation 1 is called Bayes optimal classifier. It means by using H-map hypothesis on the given example, the new instances X belongs to the hypothesis H1, that is a positive hypothesis, but using the Bayes optimal classifier, the new instances X belongs to a negative class. So we can say that Bayes optimal classifier provide better predictions against a new instances rather than H-map. Thank you.